Hey everyone, your name here. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to start making money online. You don't need any products, websites, or social media followers. Plus, it only takes about 30 seconds per book. Here's the gist: find book niches. We'll use a free tool called Jarvis GPT, formerly GPT-3, to find hot niches related to self-improvement or whatever topic you choose. Generate book summaries. Once you have a niche, use Jarvis GPT to create summaries of popular books in that niche. Don't worry, you don't have to read the books yourself. Design free book promos. We'll use a free graphic design tool called Canva to create eye-catching promo graphics featuring the book cover and a free book message. Promote with affiliate links. We'll leverage platforms like Audible and Amazon to offer these books for free, with a catch. Here's the key: you get paid a commission every time someone signs up for a free trial through your affiliate link. First, head over to Jarvis GPT. Ask it for a list of top book niches in your chosen category. Pick one, and then have Jarvis create summaries of the top 10 books in that niche. Easy. Now go to Canva. Search for book promo templates and choose one. Download the book cover image and use it in your design. Change the text to say "free book." We'll explain the free part later. Here comes the money-making magic. We'll use two platforms, Audible and Amazon. With Audible, people can get the audiobook for free with a trial through your affiliate link. You earn a commission for each sign-up, typically around $5. Over on Amazon, you can also create Amazon affiliate links for the book itself. If someone signs up for a free trial through your Audible link and then ends up paying for Audible, you earn an additional $10. Let's get your content out there. Publish on Medium. Copy your Jarvis-generated summary and paste it into a new Medium article. Include your free book promo image and a call to action with your affiliate links. Then, share on Facebook. Find Facebook groups related to your chosen niche. Join the groups and offer value by sharing your Medium articles. This will drive traffic to your affiliate links. For a deeper dive into how I personally use this method, check out the first link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more.